Hello friends, today I will describe the method to find the equation of a tangent on circle from a point which may be on the circle or outside the circle. Let us start the chapter. Let x square plus y square plus twice gx plus fy plus c is equal to 0 is a circle and px1 y1 is a point. Then center of the circle will be minus g comma minus f and radius will be under root g square plus f square minus c. Now point P, x1, y1 may have three positions with respect to circle. It can be inside the circle, it can be on the circle, and it can be outside the circle. Now we will take these three positions one by one. Case 1, when point P x1 y1 is inside the circle. If point P is inside the circle, therefore no tangent can be drawn. On the circle. Now we take the second position. If point P x1 y1, suppose this is point P x1 y1 is on the circle and this center of the circle is O, whose coordinate will be minus g comma minus f. Since this x1 y1 is on the circle, therefore x1 square plus y1 square plus twice gx1 plus twice c is equal to 0 and slope of this line OP will be minus y1 plus f upon x1 plus g. Therefore, slope of tangent will be minus x1 plus g upon y1 plus f. Therefore, equation of the tangent at the point px1 y1 with slope this will be y minus y1 is equal to slope of this, that is minus x1 plus g upon y1 plus f, x minus f. If we cross multiply, then we will get x1 plus g dot x minus x1 plus y1 plus f dot y minus y1 is equal to 0. Now after multiplying these two, we will get x1 minus x1 square plus gx minus gx1. Similarly, this will be y1 minus y1 square plus fy minus fy1 is equal to 0. This can be written as x1 plus y1 plus gx minus gx1 plus y1 plus fy minus fy1 minus this x1 square and y1 square is equal to 0. But if we see the equation x1 square plus y1 square plus 2igx plus fy is equal to 0, we will get that minus x1 square plus y1 square is equal to twice gx1 plus twice fy1 plus c. Therefore, by putting the value of minus x1 square plus y1 square is equal to twice gx1 plus 2 or twice phi1 plus c in the equation, this we will get that xx1 plus yy1 plus gx plus gx1 minus gx1 plus fy minus fy1 plus twice gx1 plus twice fy1 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, we will get that xx1 plus yy1 plus gx, this minus gx1 plus twice gx1 is equal to gx1 plus fy minus fy1 twice fy1 is equal to fy1 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, this can be written as xx1 plus yy1. We take g common, therefore it will be g x plus x1. We take f common, that is f y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now we take the third case. If point P(x1, y1) is outside the circle, suppose this is the point P (x1, y1) and it is outside the circle whose center is O, that is minus g minus f. Therefore, it is clear that from P, two tangents can be drawn on this circle. Suppose slope of this one tangent is m, slope is m. Therefore, equation will be the fy minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1 from the x1 is a tangent. This can be written as if y minus y1 minus fx minus x1 is equal to 0 is a tangent. Now, if this is a tangent, then perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to the tangent will equal to the radius. Minus y1 minus m x minus x1, that is minus g minus x1 upon under root 1 plus m square, and modulus of this is equal to radius of circle, that is under root g square plus f square minus c. Since it is a quadratic equation, we will get two values of m. Therefore, two tangents can be found from the value from the point x1, y1 on the circle. Now we take an example. Find the equation of a tangent on the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 from the following points. Now we take the points 1 by 1. Now we take the first tangent from the point 1 comma root 3. Since the equation of the tangent is x square plus y square equal to 4, it can be written as x square plus y square minus 4 is equal to 0. First, we will check whether the point 1 comma root 3 is inside or on the circle or out the circle, for which we will check the value of x1 square plus y1 square minus 4. For the point 1 comma root 3, x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to root 3. Now we'll put the value of x1 and y1 in this. Therefore, it will be x1 square plus y1 square minus 4 is equal to 1 square plus root 3 square minus 4. That is equal to 1 plus 3 minus 4, that is equal to 0. Implies that the point 1 comma root 3 is on the circle. Now, as the equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to 4, therefore its center will be 0 comma 0. Now we will find the equation of tangent. We are taking two methods. First is usual method and second is shortcut method. In the usual method, the center O of the circle is 0 comma 0 and let point P is 1 comma root 3. Therefore, slope of OP is equal to root 3 upon 1. Implies that slope of tangent, which is perpendicular to the line OP, minus 1 upon root 3. Therefore, equation of tangent will be y minus root 3 is equal to minus 1 upon root 3 x minus 1. Therefore, root 3y minus 3 is equal to minus x plus 1. Therefore, equation will be, that is x plus root 3y is equal to 4. In the shortcut method, as the equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to 4, therefore equation of the tangent will be x(x1) plus y(y1) minus 4 is equal to 0. In this case, x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is equal to root 3. Therefore, by putting the value of x1, y1 in this equation, we will get x into 1 plus y into root 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. That is x plus root 3y is equal to 4. Now we take the second point 1, 1. For the point 1, 1 comma 1, x1 is equal to 1 and y1 is also equal to 1. By putting these values in x1 square plus y1 square minus 4, we will get that 1 square plus 1 square minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 4, that is minus 2, which is less than 0. Implies therefore the point 1 comma 1 will inside the circle. The circle implies that no tangent can be drawn from 1 comma 1 on x square plus y square is equal to 4. Now we take the third point 4 comma 0. For the point 4 comma 0, x1 is equal to 4 and y1 is equal to 0. Now putting these values x1, y1 in this equation, we will get 4 square plus 0 square minus 4, that is equal to 16 plus 0 minus 4, that is 12, which is greater than 0. Implies that this point 4 comma 0 will outside the circle. Suppose this point P is the 4, 0. And the center of the circle O is 0, 0. And radius of this is 2. Now let slope of tangent is m. Therefore, equation of tangent passing through 4, 0 with slope m is y minus 0 is equal to m x minus 4. Implies that y is equal to mx minus 4m. That is mx minus y minus 4m is equal to 0. Now, if mx minus y minus 4m is the tangent, therefore perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to tangent is equal to radius of circle. Therefore, m into 0 minus 4m upon under root 1 plus m square modulus of this is equal to radius is equal to 2. By squaring both sides, we will get 416m square upon 1 plus m square is equal to 4. By cross multiplying implies that 16m square is equal to 4 plus 4m square. Implies that 12m square is equal to 4. Therefore, m square is equal to 1 upon root 3. Implies that m is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 3. Therefore, if m is equal to 1 upon root 3, equation of tangent will be y minus 0 is equal to 1 upon root 3 x minus 4. That is root 3y is equal to x minus 4. Therefore, equation will be x minus root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. And second case, if m is equal to minus 1 upon root 3, the equation will be y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 upon root 3 x minus 4. By cross multiplying, we will get root 3y is equal to minus x plus 4. That is, equation will be x plus root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, in this case, two tangents are coming. One is x minus root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, and second is x plus root 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. It is all for today. Now I request you to subscribe my channel to get the notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you.